Microfiber cleaning hacks you don't want to miss. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Have you ever finished cleaning your home and thought, why doesn't this feel truly clean? The floors are still sticky, the dust is coming back quickly, and after wiping down the couch, it still looks dull. The truth is that everyone already owns the best cleaning tool out there but are using it the wrong way. Microfiber is incredibly powerful when used correctly, and that's why today I'm going to be showing you microfiber cleaning hacks you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. One of the best secrets professional cleaners use is color coding microfiber towels. Instead of using one cloth everywhere, different colors are used for different areas of the house. For example, green towels are perfect for glass, mirrors, and screens, while red towels work best in the kitchen for counters and appliances. Yellow towels are ideal for dusting furniture, shelves, and decor, and blue towels should be kept strictly for bathroom and toilets. This system isn't just about being organized. It prevents bacteria from spreading from one area to another, and actually makes cleaning faster because you know which towel to grab. We have a dedicated YouTube video on how to color code microfiber towels. The link will be in the description box below. One small change that makes a huge difference is how you hold your microfiber towel. Most people scrunch it into a ball, and this actually wastes most of its cleaning power. When you fold a microfiber towel in half and then in half again, you create multiple clean surfaces in one towel. As one side gets dirty, you simply flip to a clean section. This helps trap dirt instead of pushing it around, and it reduces streaks, especially on smooth surfaces like tables and countertops. When it comes to cleaning floors, microfiber can step in place of traditional mopping when used correctly. A simple but powerful trick is wrapping a large microfiber towel around a flat mop plate. Once secured around, it turns into a high-performance floor cleaner. When used dry, it traps dust, pet hair, and fine debris that brooms usually miss. Slightly damp, it lifts sticky residue and footprints without soaking the floor. This works beautifully on tile, laminate, vinyl, and even hardwood, leaving those floors clean without that sticky or streaky feeling. Microfiber is also amazing for upholstered surfaces like mattresses and sofas. One clever method is wrapping a slightly damp microfiber towel around a flat pot lid or plastic lid. This gives you even pressure as you gently scrub sofa arms, seat cushions, headboards, or mattress surfaces. The microfiber lifts body oils, dust, and hidden grime without soaking the fabric. You'll be surprised how much dirt comes out from what looks like a clean sofa. Understanding when to use microfiber dry versus damp is another game-changing detail. Dry microfiber creates static, which makes it a magnet for dust and hair. This makes it perfect for shelves, lamps, blinds, and electronics. On the other hand, a slightly damp microfiber towel is best for removing grime from doors, walls, switches, and kitchen surfaces. The key is keeping the microfiber towel barely damp. Using too much water reduces the microfiber's ability to trap dirt effectively. For glass, mirrors, and stainless steel, microfiber delivers the best results when used in pairs. A damp towel removes dirt and smudges, while a second dry towel buffs the surface to a streak-free shine. Wiping glass in smooth motions and following the grain on stainless steel leave surfaces looking polished and brand new, all without harsh chemicals. We have the perfect towel designed specifically for glass, our glass weave glass cleaning towels. Finally, none of these hacks will work if your microfiber towels are not washed properly. Fabric softener and dryer sheets coat the fibers and stop them from grabbing dirt, while bleach breaks them down over time. Washing microfiber with a mild detergent in warm or cold water and drying on low heat or air drying keeps them effective for years. Once you start using microfiber the right way, you're going to notice your house staying cleaner for longer, you're going to be using less cleaning products, and the process is going to feel easier. These are small changes but make a massive difference. If you are interested in our microfiber cleaning products, then be sure to check out the description below. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell. And be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.